Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach writing, transforming it into a more dynamic and interactive process. By the year 2025, AI technology will have advanced even further, becoming an indispensable tool for writers everywhere. Imagine an AI that not only helps you brainstorm ideas but also assists in creating detailed outlines, making the writing process smoother and more efficient. AI can analyze popular themes and writing styles, providing insights that were previously difficult to obtain. This gives writers a significant head start in crafting compelling narratives, allowing them to focus more on creativity and less on the technicalities. One of the most remarkable benefits of AI is its ability to help overcome writer's block, offering suggestions and new directions when you're stuck. It can suggest plot points and character arcs, helping to develop richer and more intricate stories. This technology unlocks new creative avenues for authors, allowing them to explore ideas they might not have considered otherwise. It's important to note that AI is not about replacing human writers. Instead, it's about enhancing their capabilities. By providing tools that make the writing process more efficient, AI allows writers to produce higher quality work in less time, ultimately benefiting the entire creative process. Before writing, you need a plan. A well-thought-out blueprint is essential to guide your creative process and keep you on track. AI can help brainstorm ideas. It can generate a plethora of concepts based on your initial thoughts, sparking creativity and helping you overcome writer's block. Tools can analyze trends and identify popular genres. By understanding what readers are currently interested in, you can tailor your book to meet market demands. Some AI can even suggest titles and generate log lines. These features can save you time and provide you with compelling options that capture the essence of your story. Outlining is crucial for a book. It helps you organize your thoughts and ensures that your narrative flows logically from one chapter to the next. AI can create detailed outlines chapter by chapter. This allows you to focus on the creative aspects of writing while the AI handles the structural elements. You input your ideas and the AI structures them logically. This collaboration between human creativity and AI precision can lead to a well-organized manuscript. These outlines provide a roadmap for your writing. They act as a guide, helping you stay focused and ensuring that you cover all necessary plot points. This ensures your story is cohesive and engaging. With a solid blueprint, you can write with confidence, knowing that your book will resonate with readers. Drafting is where AI shines. Tools like AI-powered writing assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They help you write faster and better. Imagine dictating your story and the AI transcribes it perfectly. AI can analyze your writing style. It suggests improvements to sentence structure and word choice. It can also flag cliches and inconsistencies. AI editing tools help polish your manuscript. This ensures it's ready for publishing. Section 4. Your 2025 Toolkit for AI-Powered Writing. By 2025, expect even more advanced AI writing tools. These tools will be user-friendly. They'll cater to both novice and experienced writers. Some tools will specialize in specific genres. AI-driven plagiarism checkers will be essential. They ensure originality and protect your work. AI will also transform marketing and promotion. Section 5, The Human Touch, where AI ends and you begin. In this section, we explore the delicate balance between technology and human creativity. Remember, AI is a tool. It's designed to assist you, not to overshadow your unique abilities. It's not a replacement for human creativity and emotion. The ideas and feelings you bring to your work are irreplaceable. Your unique voice and perspective make your book special. These elements are what draw readers in and keep them engaged. Use AI to streamline tasks. Let it handle the mundane so you can focus on the creative aspects. This gives you more time to focus on what matters, your story. The narrative you craft is what will leave a lasting impression. Infuse your characters with emotions and experiences. These are the elements that breathe life into your story. AI can't replicate the human touch. It can assist, but it can't replace the depth of human experience. This is what resonates with readers. They connect with the humanity in your writing, the emotions and experiences that only you can provide. Section 6, Writing the Future Success with AI. Embrace AI as a partner in writing. Use it wisely and ethically. Never forget the power of human imagination. Combine this with AI and you can achieve great things. The future of writing is collaborative. AI is not a threat, it's an opportunity to enhance your creativity. Embrace this new era of writing and you can achieve your writing dreams.